Hello, and welcome to Cassie's Kitchen Creations. And I'm Cassie. I hope you guys have had a wonderful Sunday, as I have. I was just stopping by to give a couple of shout outs and to show my gratitude for all of the help I've received in reaching 1,000 plus subscribers. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of the subscribers who joined me along the way from the beginning, because without you, this definitely would not have been possible. I also want to give a shout out to Nemo 504, Mr. Phenomenal. He is just that, Mr. Phenomenal. Since the first day we've networked or connected on YouTube, he has been so helpful. He uses his platform to uplift, enlighten, encourage, and motivate small YouTube channels to keep working, to keep plugging, to keep, uploading, and to stay positive and just, work through whatever it is that you need to work through. He uses his channel as a platform to motivate others. He's awesome. I also would like to give a shout out to Lashana Success. Lashana has a YouTube channel, and I met her through Nemo 504, and she's also very motivational, and she's been very uplifting and very encouraging, and shares a lot of information as well. Another channel that I would like to give a shout out to is RN, the number 2 CEO. I met RN to CEO through a YouTube channel called Vibing with Sonia, and she has a motivational channel as well. And she don't just talk about nursing. I know it says RN, that's about nursing. No, she's also a life coach, and you can tell it when she's doing all of her motivational speeches and when she's just sharing information with us. So please go out and check her channel out. Another channel is Vibing with Sonia, as I mentioned. Sonia has been monetized for a while. She has a wealth of knowledge, a wealth of experience. She shares updates and keeps us in the loop on all the changes that are coming to YouTube. She is like Nemo, a cheerleader, a true supporter of small YouTube channels, and she's always encouraging networking, because with YouTube, it takes a village. It takes the small family communities that are being developed through the networking to actually make it. You cannot do it alone. Another channel that I like to give a shout out to is Vibing with VC. I met her through Nemo 504 and also through RN to CEO. She has a very good channel as well. She's also motivating. And her sister, KC, Motivational Tales. No, Casey's Inspirational Tales. See, they say Cassie and Casey, and it's kind of like one and the same, but it's different. Casey's Inspirational Tales. And she always starts in the morning, and she always starts with good morning. She has a really motivational channel. I love to wake up in the morning, do my meditations and my prayers, and then I always like to listen to her. It's kind of, and when you turn it on and when she says good morning, it's like she's right there in the room with you. And I love her channel as well. Another channel that I would like to give a shout out to is Sharita Jones. It's hard out here for a temp when you're trying to make the money for the rent. She has an awesome channel. Now, I have another song for you, Sharita, but I got to work on a tune to it. It's hard out here for a YouTuber when you're trying to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. I know you're going to help me out. We're going to work this one out. But she has a very good channel, very motivational channel, very uplifting channel. She has a vibe she's always in a good mood. She's always happy, and she's always smiling. She's a very uplifting person to network with. Now, I've given these channels shout outs, and I'm telling you about the community and the family that Nemo 504 is building here on this platform. Not for you to expect of subscribe for a subscribe. Because if you are on YouTube and have been on YouTube for a while, or you're a small channel and you're looking for information that's going to help your channel grow, then these are the channels to connect with. And make sure you tell them Cassie's Kitchen Creations sent you, because they're going to embrace you. They're going to help you. They're going to give you information. You can go back and listen to some of their old videos, and there's a lot of information that will help you, because, as I said earlier, YouTube is not something you can do solo, right? Another channel that I'm going to shout out is a homesteading channel, which is not in this family, but it's in a homesteading community that I follow, because I do a lot of homesteading stuff. And it's 3B Homestead, and they're out of Oklahoma. It's a small channel, but they're growing. It's Brooke and Colton, and they do have a son. I met Brooke on a homesteading channel when we both were getting started. I guess within a week or two of each other, because I went out and checked her channel out, and she checked my channel out. And I mean, I just resonate and connect with them because they're young, very encouraging, and it's very good to see young people interested in homesteading, because homesteading is not something that's a cakewalk. I grew up on a homestead, so I know this. And I have a garden. I raise a lot of my own food. I have done that for years, and I know it is not easy. I don't have any animals, but yet and still, I do a lot of the DIY things. I do a lot of my own hair shampoos, conditioners, lotions, oils, laundry detergent, you name it. And a lot of the bills are definitely not easy, right? So that's another channel that I would recommend that you go out and check out, and tell them Cassie's Kitchen Creation sent you. One of the things I would like to say about all the YouTube channels is that it's really not the 1,000 subscribers that's the focus. The focus is really on the 4,000 watch hours, because those hours are not easy to get. It takes some people years to accumulate their watch hours, whereas some people I've seen it, they say it take them a week, 2 weeks. It's not that easy. It didn't take me 2 weeks. It took me a lot longer, almost a year, to get my watch hours. But it's only because of my students. Even though they don't subscribe to the channel, because they're not interested in cooking, they do watch videos and help with watch hours. My family, friends, and also my YouTube family. They have really helped me a lot as far as getting my 4,000 watch hours. And so don't expect to subscribe when you go out to these channels. If they're interested in your content, if it radiates with them in any way, they're going to subscribe. They're going to like, they're going to comment, they're going to subscribe. And they're going to keep coming back, like, comment, and subscribing. Now, when you watch people's content, do me a favor. Do not go out there and watch 30 seconds or 1 minute. I know some of the videos are long. At least watch 5-10 minutes, 15 at the most, if they're an hour. Because all of the times that is spent watching the videos count towards the watch hours. So when you go out there and watch a split second, you're not helping. And also, watching a split second, liking, commenting, and subscribing, your subscription is going to get dropped because you didn't do it the right way. I encourage you to do as we do in our community, is to watch the videos, click the thumbs up to like it, leave a comment if it radiates with you in any way, and then subscribe to the channel. That's the right way. That's what helps the smaller channels and even the larger channels. That's what helped the channels, period, to grow and to actually obtain the watch hours that they need. If you're not going to do it the right way, then don't do it at all. And to the trolls, I thank you for helping me and everyone else in the family with watch hours, because one thing you do is watch the videos from the beginning to the end, and you make a lot of negative comments, which I pay absolutely no attention to. I stroll right past them to the next positive, because if you want to do it your way, create your own YouTube channel, okay? And then we'll come out and troll you. But thank you for the watch hours. Greatly appreciated. And for those who are inspiring to create a YouTube channel, I strongly suggest that you do. It's never too late. It doesn't matter if you like to eat, if you like cooking, baking, fishing, hunting, building, homesteading, just creating a positive channel. If you like storytelling, if you like art, anything that you do is a gift, talent. I suggest that you start a YouTube channel. You will be amazed at who out there has the same talent or gift that you have, and how many people are already in that community that you're about to join. I really, really, really appreciate the community that I've connected with, because everyone has positive vibes, everyone is helping everyone, and everyone is dedicated to going to people's channels and supporting them the right way. Now, I know you cannot do it all day, every day, but I have a plan. I have one on one TV plan. I have another one on another TV plan. Then I have another TV. That one, I have somebody different playing, a different channel. I have someone on my computer. I go to my iPad. I have someone on the iPad. And then I have someone on my cell phone. So I have a different channel, and I set up a playlist, and I'm watching, and then I'll comment, and then once that one is over, I'll switch over and I'll pull up someone else's. And that's how I support the channels that I follow, whether they're homesteading channels, or if it's another cooking channel, or if it's a travel channel, or whatever the channels may be. That's the way I support them, in helping to get their watch hours, and also helping to gain subscribers, right? So again, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to the family for helping me. I am so grateful. I am so humbled. I really appreciate it. And now it's on to the next, which is to hopefully by the end of this week apply for monetization, and let's see how this goes. So prayers up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.